and gentlemen, it's an honor to have the opportunity to address my distinguished audience. My name is Abdelhak Raji. I'm Doctor Candidate, University in San Hassan. I'm glad to present to you my work entitled Migrating Data Semantic from Relational Database System to NoSQL System to Improve Data Quality for Big Data Analytics System. The objective of our studies is to propose a new approach to migrate the semantic aspects of the relational model to NoSQL model. During our presentation, we will follow the following plan. First, we will begin with an introduction, and after we present relational and NoSQL database. After we present problematic and motivation. After we present approach and modeling, and we conclude our presentation. And the last day, data revolution in the role for strategic and decision-making influence. It's grew continuously every time in order to build big data. But a relational system presents some limits to manage a huge volume of data. None won't keep it 14 years and change their old data to adopt another NoSQL system. In this slide, we present some limits of a relational system. A relational system can't store different form of data, and it implements a vertical scalability. So it cannot make an evolution of server data and cannot manage a big volume of data. This has a negative impact in the availability of data, analyzing data, and response time of each queries. So when NoSQL system, NoSQL system implements a simple and flexible structure in order to and manage a big volume of data from the top and read it from different websites, songs, and images. Implement horizontal scalability. It allows to add as many database servers linked together horizontally, either for data replication or for extension of the database system for guarantee availability of data and management of big data. So the first proposition is to keep both systems, but this increases data costs in software, technical support, learning and training of employees. So we can't keep both systems in the same time, then we have to keep only one. It's the NoSQL system. This situation creates a real need for migration database from relational system to NoSQL system. We notice that in the latest research, several migration approaches have been developed with a major problem that it occurred by transforming relational database from relational model by transforming their table to documents in the same structure in the way to use these documents to build database in NoSQL system, but this results creation of a relational database in NoSQL system. To surpass this problem, we notice that relational database contain three types of data: storage data, data contained in structure of table, and semantic data. Semantic data is represented by relationship functions of join and In our studies, we will take MongoDB as an example of destination system. In this slide, we present a simple architecture of Mongo's system, MongoDB system. MongoDB system use Mongo's framework to define their schema, problem, validator, and structure in order to manage and improve quality of data in MongoDB database. This architecture, we propose that triggers, views, functions will be transformed to JavaScript, to function JavaScript in Mongoose. Relationship is the main element in the relational model. It's the main element define a relational model. In MCD model, their name is a verb to signify action, an effect, and an operation, representing the dynamic aspect and define the multiplicity between objects. But in the logic model, it's disappeared and is replaced by foreign key. Relationship can be restored by join operation. So to migrate database from relational system to NoSQL system, we must remake relationship in other form or remake join operation in other mechanism. In our studies, we choose transform join operation. In relational model, join operation contain two operations. The first one, Cartesian products, and the second, restriction operation, in order to build result of join operation. For example, we want to join one table which has 1 million lines with another table with 1 million lines too. So the first operation, Cartesian product, will create a result with 1 trillion line. And the second operation, restriction, will filter this result to have about 1/2 million of lines. Therefore, this operation fills the memory with the enormous volume of data which is useless and occupies the processor by the construction of these superfluous lines and by the filtering of a very number of lines to restore only 1/2 million data created in memory. So this operation must be redefined in the process of migration in the new system to be more intelligent and efficient. In our studies, we propose to transform join operation in recursive functions JavaScript in Mongoose. Its mechanism to apply a restriction operation on the first table, and the result will be the condition to replace an operation on the second table in order to build the result as a virtual table in memory. We notice that our approach was unable to define a very critical part in a relational database in order to migrate from the relational system to the NoSQL system. This is the semantic part of the system. Our approach surpassed the list in the all approaches of migration. We managed to define the concept of the different semantic elements in the relational system to facilitate their migration, and it translates relational database from relational model to NoSQL model. Finally, thank you very much.